In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Salesforce to DocuSign following the most up-to-date 2025 guide. If you've been wondering about how to seamlessly integrate these two powerful tools, you're in the right place. So, let's dive right in and make the connection simple and efficient for you. First, let's head over to DocuSign. You can do this by opening your preferred internet browser and typing in the DocuSign web address. Signing in might be required, so make sure you have your login details on hand, just in case. Once you're logged in, look for the admin option. It's typically located at the top of the page, but can sometimes be found in a menu depending on your layout settings. Clicking on admin takes you into the main hub for managing your DocuSign account settings. Here you're going to see many options, and we want to focus on Connect. This section is essential because it allows DocuSign to communicate with other applications like Salesforce, enabling seamless data transfer and interaction between systems. In the Connect section, you'll want to click on Add Configuration. This is where you start building the bridge between DocuSign and Salesforce. When you choose Add Configuration, a list of applications that can be integrated with DocuSign will appear. That's when we move on to the next crucial step, selecting Salesforce from this list. Choosing Salesforce opens up options that are specific to setting up and managing connections to your Salesforce account. Now we're getting into the technical meat of it. You're going to need to click on Connect with OAuth. This is the standard and secure way to authorize connections between Salesforce and DocuSign. It ensures that data transferred between both platforms is encrypted and secure. Once you select Connect with OAuth, a new window will prompt you to log into Salesforce. Make sure you have your Salesforce credentials ready. This login gives the required consent for DocuSign to interact with your Salesforce data. Taking these steps will create a seamless link that will allow you to send, sign, and manage documents directly within Salesforce using DocuSign. This integration not only simplifies workflows but also enhances security and efficiency when managing contracts and forms through Salesforce. And that's it! Now you know how to integrate Salesforce with DocuSign in a straightforward, effective manner. If you followed along, you should have a functional connection ready to make your document management a whole lot smoother. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more technology integration tips and tricks.